How can we make an N8N publicly accessible? For this, we obviously need to have an N8N locally, as using it through the website is already public. And on the other hand, let me explain what we're going to be doing when run locally. As you can see, the link shows localhost here. This means it's hosted locally, so we'll be the only ones able to access this workspace. This is great for privacy, but for things like webhooks or integrations with WhatsApp or Telegram, being local means they can't connect to our computer as it's not cloud-based. If you notice with other APIs, it might, or rather webhooks for Drive and Gmail work as Google adapts, but some other programs don't, okay? So what should we do? Well, we're going to use VS Code, okay? This program here will open the terminal, type N8N, and you'll see it's ready on port 5678. The port is these digits here, 5670. Go to port, click forward, enter 5678, allow GitHub, and continue. Great, we have the port now, okay? We'll have this link that we can see, TRL click to open. We continue, and it indeed takes us to our N8N. I'll log in here so you can see that even though the link changed, it's still the same, okay? The million-dollar question, does the previous one still work? If we refresh, we see that it does, so we won't lose the previous one, don't worry. Now, as you can see, the visibility is set to private, meaning we're still local. It's easy. Right-click on visibility, select port visibility, set it to public, and we're done. It's now public. It's that simple. Let's open it with control-click to show you it worked. I'll create a workflow, and when I make a webhook, you'll see it's still localhost, okay? Now we need to type this code in the terminal. $N, webhook underscore URL equals sign this link, okay? This is the link they gave me here. Got it? HTTPS blah blah devtunnels to MS and npx and N8N, okay? So we take this and send it. First, stop an N8N with Control-C, alright? Now let's set up the webhook. There, the process initializes. Note, this only affects this terminal, okay? It won't affect other terminal. When you close and reopen, it's gone. Now check the webhook, you'll see the link has changed, okay? This changes things locally online via VS Code terminal without ngrok. There you have it. Hope it was helpful. Alright, today I'll show you how to connect N8N with ngrok, okay? This way we'll have N8N publicly available through ngrok, but with more convenience, without using terminals like VS Code. Let's start by going to ngrok and logging in, so let's do that. First, we need to get ngrok on our computer, so let's do that without any issues. Okay, let's open it. I'll tell you when I've got it already, okay? There it is. Well, actually it says it, okay, ngrok. Now we'll delete this and follow the instruction. Run the following command to add your auth token to ngrok. Alright, let's open CMD and enter this. Just to let you know, it seems I didn't have it, okay? And I had to type, let me find it. This command here tells me, hey, ngrok is a command line app. Try typing ngrok.exit, alright? I've typed it and nothing happened. There we have it. Now we should have ngrok. And I could also run the command they provided, which basically saves the configuration, okay? Also, if I search for ngrok now, it appears in my search result. Now to publish our app online, we copy this, okay? I'll go to the terminal, paste it, and change it to my port, alright? In this case, it's 5678. I can't see it here, but if I run my local N8N in this terminal, it shows port 5678, okay? We press Control-C to close it. So let's go ahead and enter. I should mention that I ended up using the store installer, okay? The .exe didn't work well, so we'll use the same commands again, alright? We enter this command here and set localhost to 5678. Now if we control-click and open it, we can visit the site. It's important to have N8N active, okay? It's crucial, otherwise you won't be able to use it. Now we simply access through the ngrok free app and create a workflow. This is just to show you the webhook feature is working correctly. Well, just to show you how it works now. Have a nice day. Okay, I'll type it. I'm not sure if the workflow runs automatically. I'll click run workflow. It'll wait for a trigger like hi, then receive the message. As you can see, it works, the whole WhatsApp hi there process. This is just to show you that the connection is working, so it's that simple. I recommend doing it through the online mode. That's it. Hope you found this helpful and useful.